Cove Beach Park in Kihei, Maui, Hawaii is certainly a delightful oceanfront gem that offers a serene escape for both locals and tourists. Cove Beach Park is situated at 2026 Ilaili Road in Kihei, right along the coastline. The natural bends of the shoreline create a sheltered cove, which means calm waters, a perfect recipe for beachgoers seeking relaxation and gentle waves. For spectators, there is a grassy area with some shade and a tiny blink of a beach. There's also this long bench along the border right in front of the parking area where you can sit and enjoy the view. I watched this kid learn to bodyboard applying his own techniques and trials. It is such a delight to watch kids on the shore indulging in various activities without any distractions. While the sandy area isn't massive, it's enough for sunbathing and picnics. The clear turquoise waters invite you for a refreshing swim. Sunset is the best time to visit this beach if you want to experience one of the iconic Maui sunsets for which the island is known. The views of the western horizon are completely unobstructed and framed by tropical palms. The park itself boasts impressive facilities, making it more than just a beach. So, if you are not riding the waves, you can explore the park, have a picnic, or simply enjoy the ocean breeze. We spent a relaxing morning here on the beach watching young and old trying their surfing and paddleboarding skills. If you want to learn to surf or stand-up paddle, then surely the Cove Beach Park is the perfect place for you. All the surf schools are here in the morning, pushing longboard beginners onto the bunny slope waves. Surf schools often operate here, ensuring that even first-timers can catch some waves without too much wipeout drama. While surfing takes certain stage, kayaking and paddleboarding are also popular. Arrive early for calmer waters. Aloha spirit is real and awesome at Cove Park Beach. People are seen immersing themselves in a different, more carefree environment, providing a sense of escape and change of pace. I am so charmed watching the beach buzzing with enthusiasts, each with their delightful activities on the waters with waves of joy. Young and adults are seen equally having a whale of time. A variety of fun activities and leisure strolls along the shore are so enjoyable and healthy. The serene atmosphere, sound of the waves, and scenic views of the ocean was having a calming and therapeutic effect on me. Picturesque coastlines, stunning natural scenery was aesthetically pleasing and rejuvenating. I must say, the relaxed beach atmosphere can facilitate social bonding. All in all, to me, a visit to Cove Beach Park was a combination of entertainment, recreation, relaxation, enjoyable natural beauty, social interaction, an invigorating and refreshing experience beyond my words can explain. So, whether you're catching waves, soaking up the sun, or simply enjoying the beauty of Cove Beach Park, it's a peaceful and picturesque spot that captures the essence of Maui's coastal charm. Have you ever been to Cove Beach Park? Or is it on your bucket list for future travels?